Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read tenses. Tense is the form of a verb that shows the time and state of an action or event. Tense क्या होते हैं? जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि हमारा किस समय कौन सा काम हुआ है. Tenses are generally of three kinds: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each of these tenses is further divided into four kinds. जो तीन टेंस है प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर, बाद में ये 4 पार्ट्स में इनके सेंटेंसेस डिवाइडेड है. नाउ लुक एट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. प्रेजेंट टेंस, सिंपल प्रेजेंट, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. नाउ पास्ट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. Future tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Now present tense. When a verb shows that an action take place at present, it is called the present tense. जब action present time में हुआ है तो वो present tense. For number 1, simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express universal truth, habitual actions, questions and planned activities. जो habitual हमारे actions हैं, universal truth है, quotations हैं और planned activities हैं, उनके लिए हम simple present tense का use करते हैं. The sun sets in the west. This is truth. Keats says, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Quotation. She drinks coffee every morning. Habit. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking, temporary action or a planned future action. जो present continuous tense है वो क्या दिखाता है कि जिस समय हम बोल रहे हैं वो काम हमारा चल रहा है. Temporary action हो सकता है और future planning भी वो हो सकता है. We are playing in the garden. This is present action. I am watching a movie. Temporary action. We are visiting the Red Fort next week. This is future action. Next is present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to express just completed action, past actions whose time is not specific and to ask questions. जो present perfect tense है उसका काम क्या है? क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है कि टाइम जो है अभी जस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. He has just gone to school. Just completed the action. We have lived here for 5 years. Past action. Now next is past tense. When a verb indicates an action that took place in the past, it is called the past tense. जो past में हुआ है वो past tense है. Number 1, simple past tense. The simple past tense talks about the past action, habit or conditions. She baked a cake yesterday. I wrote a letter to her last month. This is past action. He used to smoke when he was young. If I were you, I would buy this car. Now this is habit and conditions. Now, what do you notice about the form of the verb? All verbs take their past form. Bake, baked, write, wrote. Next is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense talks about the actions that were in progress in the past or 2 past actions that took place simultaneously. Past continuous tense जो काम हमारा पास्ट टेंस में रनिंग था और 2 एक्शंस जो हमारे एक साथ हो रहे थे उस सब को शो करता है. They were going to the market. He was writing a letter. Now this is completed action. When she was in London, she was always traveling. The dog started barking when the beggar was crossing the road. Now there are 2 past actions. 2 actions are taking place simultaneously. Now what do you notice about the form of the verb? all the verbs take helping verbs, was or were, before them. The main verbs are used in ing form. Go, going, travel, traveling. Next is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense talks about the past actions and is not used to express a single action in the past completed before a specific time. For example, he had done his work before his father arrived. They had gone to Mumbai after their exams. This is past double actions. I had met him 5 years ago. I had been to Ranchi before 2015's specific time. What do you notice about the form of the verbs? All verbs are used in their third form. जितने भी यूज़ किए गए हैं वो थर्ड फॉर्म में यूज़ किए गए हैं पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में. वी यूज़ हैड, पास्ट ऑफ हैव और हैज़ बिफोर द वर्ब. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फ्यूचर टेंस. When a verb shows an action will take place in the future, it is called the future tense. जब verb क्या show करता है कि काम future में हो रहा है, it takes future tense. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to express a supposed action, determination, natural phenomenon, condition और asking questions. इन सब के लिए हम simple future tense का use करते हैं. We shall play in the ground. This is supposed action. I will become an engineer. Determination. The sun will rise in the east. This is natural phenomenon. Will you go to Mumbai? This is asking questions. If you help me, I shall give you my book. Condition. Now, what do you notice about the form of the verb? क्या notice किया? कौन सी form थी? All the verbs takes will or shall before them. The verbs are used in the future tense. Now next is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense talks about the continuity of the supposed action. जो supposed action है आपका उसकी continuity को show करता है future continuous tense. They will be playing in the park. He will be writing a letter. I shall be going there. These are all supposed actions. Now, what do you notice about the verbs? All the verbs are used in will be or shall be before them. The verbs are used in the ing form. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense talks about the completion of supposed action or the action that is started earlier and will completed before a given time in the future. जो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस है वो क्या है कि जो एक्शन हमने शुरू किया था वो उसको कंप्लीट होता हुआ दिखाता है या उस एक्शन को क्या दिखाएगा कि जो काम हमने पहले शुरू किया था एक सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड से पहले वो कंप्लीट हो गया है. द एरोप्लेन विल हैव लैंडेड ऑन द एयरपोर्ट एट 2 AM. दिस इज सपोज्ड एक्शन. आई शैल हैव स्टेड इन कोलकाता फॉर 4 years by June next. This is continue action. Now, what do you notice about the form of the verbs? All verbs are used in their third form, past participle. We use shall have or will have before the verbs. Thus, the future perfect tense, subject, will, shall have plus past participle of the verb. I hope it is clear to you now. It's time to revise. You can revise it.